Hello, first of all, I would like to welcome you to ABBA English. We are the English Academy with over 30 million students around the world. Let me show you how the ABBA campus works in just 5 minutes. First, let me introduce you to the campus homepage. You'll see that all the study options are always available on the side. At the top bar, you'll find the level you're currently in. You can change it anytime you need, remember. Our program goes from A1 to C1 according to the Common European Framework. You'll also always have your progress visible, so you can see where you are in the level and how much you have left to complete it. The first thing you should do is start with the study units. In each level, you'll find 24 units. Each one consists of an ABBA film, which is the starting point for your learning. At ABBA English, we teach as if you are experiencing a real-life situation in an English-speaking country. You'll immerse yourself in a dialogue that will capture your attention and serve as the starting point for study. This is called the natural learning method, learning as if you were traveling, almost without realizing it. Remember, we recommend watching the ABBA film at least 3 times. Once with subtitles in your language, once with subtitles in English, and finally in English without subtitles. This will give you full understanding of the ABBA film. After finishing the ABBA film, you'll need to do the rest of the exercises, starting with speaking, where you'll go over each sentence from the ABBA film and strengthen your speaking skills, the most important part of learning. Next, you'll move on to writing, where you'll write out each sentence from the script. After that comes the role play. This is when you'll play a character to truly live the dialogue and finally let go as if you were the protagonist of the ABBA film. So far, the exercises have been about practicing naturally, following the natural method. Next come the exercises that will solidify what you've learned. We'll continue with grammar. Here you'll watch a masterclass by our top teachers and absorb the grammatical structures of the unit you've been practicing without even realizing it. Afterward, you'll complete grammar exercises, vocabulary exercises, and finally, the unit exam. Remember, you need to score at least 8 out of 10 to pass. Let's go back to the campus homepage. You'll see you need to start by completing the first 4 units. Once you finish them, it's time to join your first review class. These are live sessions with an ABBA English teacher and other students at your same learning stage. They help you review what you've learned so far. It's a perfect opportunity to ask any questions, reinforce your knowledge, and move forward confidently. Remember to book the class, and if you want to repeat it, you can do so as many times as you like. Each level has 6 review classes, which you'll find after every 4 units. Once you finish the level, you'll be able to move on to the next one. We recommend that you complete at least 2 units per week and at least 1 live class. This class can be a review class or a conversation class. Conversation classes are fantastic for practicing the most important skill, speaking English. You'll find a wide range of topics like role play, pronunciation, debate, song lyrics, and more. And remember, you can attend as many classes as you want. They're unlimited and offer a wide range of time slots. Continuing through the menu, you'll find the Your Teacher section. This is where you can connect with your assigned tutor and ask any questions you have. Your teacher will respond as soon as possible. In this section, you'll also find a student guide and your study plan, 2 very useful tools to help you succeed with ABBA. Last but certainly not least, let's look at the micro lessons section. Micro lessons are learning modules based on your other interests. This way, you'll learn genuinely through topics that matter to you. There are tons of themes like business, travel, lifestyle, news, and personal growth, among others. For example, there's a cooking module or a yoga series where you'll learn English in a fun and engaging way. Plus, every week you'll get a new, up-to-date micro lesson. Let's wrap it up here. 5 minutes visiting an academy that can't wait to welcome you. Remember, the whole ABBA English team is always at your service. See you on campus.